Thinking about using Namecheap to register your domain or host your website? I've been using Namecheap for years, and in this Namecheap review video, I'll share what's great, what's not, or whether it's the best choice for you. Stick around because I'll also share a quick speed test and show you how much you can actually save compared to its competitors. I provide a link in the description below to Namecheap, where you'll get a Namecheap discount no matter what Namecheap service you are purchasing. I've included the domain name promo code next to the link in the description that will save you money on your .com domain purchase. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, may not receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap discount. When it comes to domain registers and web hosting platforms, Namecheap is one of the most talked about options, and for good reason. It offers several standout features along with a few drawbacks worth knowing before signing up. Namecheap started out as a domain register, but it's now a full-service platform offering shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, reseller hosting, managed WordPress hosting, email solutions, security, like SSL certificates, and marketing tools. In short, it's like GoDaddy, but cheaper, cleaner, without the upsell pressure. So now that you know what Namecheap is and who it's for, let's break down the pros that actually make it a solid option worth considering. Affordable pricing. .com domains can be registered for as little as $6.49 with a Namecheap promo code, while .net and .org are priced at $12.98 and $7.48. I included the Namecheap.com domain name promo code with the link in the description below. Hosting ranges as low as $158 to $448 per month on a 3-year term, hosting as low as $198 to $498 a month with a 1-year term, and hosting runs as low as $448 a month to $948 a month on the monthly term. Free Who is privacy for life. Other companies charge extra for this. Namecheap includes it for free forever. Clean interface and dashboard. Their control panel is beginner friendly and doesn't bombard you with ads. Customer support. Customer support is available 24/7. You can reach them via live chat, submitting a support ticket, and they have a support knowledge base that is helpful if you want to find something on your own. Fast hosting performance. Here's a quick speed test from a basic WordPress site I hosted with Namecheap. The site loaded on average in 1.6 seconds. Not bad at all for shared hosting. But no hosting platform is without its flaws. Here are a few downsides to keep in mind before you commit. Limited features on cheapest plans. If you go with the stellar shared hosting plan, you'll find some limitations on speed and email deliverability. No phone support. Everything is through chat or ticket. That's not ideal for everyone. Not the fastest hosting provider. For high performance sites, something like SiteGround or Bluehost might give you better results. So who is Namecheap best for? If you're just starting a blog, small business site, or want a clean domain register, you'll love Namecheap. It's perfect for beginners, and honestly, I still use them to this day for domain management. To really understand Namecheap's value, it helps to compare it with the competition. Compared to GoDaddy, Namecheap is more affordable and offers a cleaner, less cluttered experience. Compared to other web hosting companies, it's more transparent. If you're ready to try Namecheap, I've linked a discounted offer down in the description. And if you found this review helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more honest hosting reviews. Drop a comment if you tried Namecheap or want me to compare it with another provider.